AI video just changed again. GPT Image 2 meets Seedance 2.0, and this combo is on another level. Sharper visuals, smoother motion, way more control. You can now generate stunning images with GPT Image 2 inside HitPaw FotorPea. Then bring them to life with Seedance 2.0 in HitPaw VikPea. This is next-gen AI video creation.